What's up you guys, Luke here, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down affiliate marketing, explaining what it is and how you can get started and start making money online with affiliate marketing in 2020. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe. We put out new videos every week. For now, let's get started. So let's talk about affiliate marketing and what it is exactly. Affiliate marketing is a fancy term for basically just saying marketing through referrals. Now, what affiliate marketing is really just you driving people to offers through links online. And you can see this type of marketing all over the internet. For instance, if you look at the descriptions on most YouTube videos, there's links to outside offers where you might get a discount if you sign up using the link. That's a perfect example of affiliate marketing. Or for instance, you'll see an ad that takes you to a product, a diet product or some sort of skin cream, something like that, whatever it may be. A lot of times those are also affiliate marketing ads. Now, basically all it is a marketer, someone who buys traffic or generates traffic, generates clicks or views somehow, gets an offer from someone else, so they don't actually own the product or the service that they're selling. They just get that offer, they get a unique link, and they start pushing their traffic to that offer. And every time that offer makes a sale, it converts, whatever it may be, they get a referral fee, a kickback for that, and that's basically how they make money. Now, you may be asking, why is this such a great business model, and how can I make money with this? And the answer is real simple. This is an amazing business model because, one, anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can get started. Two, you don't actually have to own, source, or be the actual business behind any specific product. You're basically just promoting other people's products for a fee. So you don't have to go through the hassle of building a product or sourcing it or creating a program, anything like that. And three, one of the best reasons why this is great for beginners in online advertising, people trying to make money online, is because there's no actual startup capital required. You don't have to source inventory like with Amazon FBA or something. There is no inventory requirement. It's just every time you generate a sale through your link, you'll get cash for it, right? So there's a lot of ways you can do this with free traffic that you just generate through your content. For instance, a YouTube channel, a large Instagram following, a niche blog website. All of these are great ways for people to generate traffic and sales for their affiliate marketing business. So now that we understand the overview of affiliate marketing, basically you, the user, generates traffic and sends your traffic to a unique link that takes them to an offer page, a product, whatever it is. You get paid a kickback for each person that converts, right? Once we understand this, the next obvious question becomes, all right, Luke, so where do I get these products or services that I can affiliate market for, right? It's actually really simple. There are lots of businesses that just offer affiliate marketing partnerships to anyone. These are some of the easiest places for a newbie in this space to get started. One of these great businesses called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate network and it aggregates a bunch of affiliate offers from other sellers, things that anyone can promote. So once you sign up with ClickBank, you can take a look at all of their offers, right? And they have everything from diet offers to offers, their business programs, real estate, a bunch of niche type offers. People put their online courses, their programs, their custom meal plan offers, whatever it is. They aggregate all these offers on ClickBank and you can generate real quickly unique links that when clicked will register on your ClickBank account. And if someone purchases using this unique link, you'll get a payout through ClickBank. Now, this is one of the simplest ways for you to get started with affiliate marketing. But there's also some other ways. You can go to specific websites, for instance, and usually at the bottom somewhere, there's a spot that says affiliates or contact us for affiliates, something like that. And you can reach out to these websites and businesses to get signed up for their affiliate program where you'll get a unique discount or some sort of unique offer. And anytime someone signs up for this service with your unique discount link or your unique offer, you'll get a payout on that. So those are two of probably the simplest ways to find offers for you to start affiliate marketing. Now, if you want a list of some more networks that aggregate affiliate offers, I'm going to leave a few of the best networks in the description down below, so be sure to take a look at that. Also, you're going to find a full summary of what we've gone over in this video. So don't forget to smash that like button and check the description down below. So now let's talk about the hard part of affiliate marketing, or at least the hardest part. So anyone can go get these offers on ClickBank. Anyone can sign up to become an affiliate. The real hard part, and the part where you make money, is driving traffic. Where do you get actual users to click your links and actually buy stuff on the tail end of it, right? How do you drive good traffic to these links? And I'm going to quickly go over just a few strategies you can use to drive traffic. Some are the more advanced strategies, and some of these are simpler strategies anyone can get started with today. So the number one strategy for driving users to your affiliate marketing links is going to be, drumroll please, social media. That's right, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. The big three of social media are probably the easiest and best place for you to start driving traffic to your affiliate marketing links. So ideally you want to have a niche following. If you're a YouTube channel that is all about fitness and diet and whatnot, there's hundreds of offers you can drive your viewership to that will pay you for that traffic. So YouTube channel is a great way to get a niche audience to click and go to your targeted affiliate products. A Facebook group, a Facebook fan page, a great Instagram following, all operate in a very similar way. Your viewership, your users will click some of the links and go to these third-party offers, make sales, and generate you some money on that. So another way you can start generating traffic for your affiliate links is by becoming an active member on various boards, blog sites, forums, stuff like that, and gaining a reputation and leaving comments with your links. So imagine that you're in a Reddit or a subreddit forum or some sort of blog forum or blog post that's talking about the ketogenic diet, for instance, right? Let's say you're in that, and in a particular discussion, you leave a couple of good comments, and in one of your comments is a link towards an offer for the ketogenic diet that's coming as an affiliate through ClickBank or whatever it is. If you leave that comment there, what's going to end up happening is some of these people are going to click it, and if they deem it trustworthy, if they think you have a good, if they trust you, or even if not, sometimes they're going to click that, they're going to go to this offer, and they're going to buy it, or they're gonna subscribe, or whatever it is, and you're actually gonna get a payout on that too. So there's lots of people that I know, the way they got started was they were just posting links on different blog sites, on different forums, stuff like that, and they were generating some revenue with that. Now it's limited revenue, but I will say that this is a absolutely free method that you can use to start generating some revenue through affiliate marketing right now. It's really not complex at all. Anyone can do it. Anyone can just hop into this. A word to the wise though, you do kind of want to be adding value in these discussions. So don't just go to every blog post and every forum and just start plastering your links everywhere, because that's a quick way for you to get banned. And either way, no one's going to really trust your stuff if you're just spamming with it. And now finally, the third and most powerful, scalable way for you to start driving people to your affiliate links and offers is called paid advertising, paid media buying. This is one that you may or may not be familiar with, especially if you're a beginner, but this is probably the most powerful strategy, and it's the one that anyone who's making significant income using affiliate marketing is definitely doing. This is where you buy ad space on Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. You pay those companies for ad space, for advertising, and using your ads, you drive people to your offers and you make money that way. All you have to do basically with this type of model is make sure that you're making more on each sale than it costs you in advertising traffic to get that person there, right? So it becomes simply a numbers game, but this is by far the most scalable way you can do it. This is one where you can generate millions and millions of dollars in revenue through affiliate marketing by creating specific targeted Facebook ads, driving people to specific offers and getting sales on the end of that. This is definitely an advanced strategy. It's an expensive strategy. It's not for the faint of heart. It's not for someone who doesn't know anything about Facebook ads, Google ads, stuff like that. It's a quick way to lose money, honestly, on ads if you don't know how to properly utilize them. But if you do have a good understanding of digital advertising and you know how to use these types of powerful ads, you can drive so much traffic to these offers. It's really unbelievable. This is how I personally got my start in digital entrepreneurship. My first business was an affiliate marketing business where I drove people from Facebook and Instagram through specific targeted ads to affiliate offers and made money that way. So all in all, affiliate marketing, it's a great way for newbies to get started in the digital entrepreneurship space. There really is a huge amount of opportunity here. And it's a way that a lot of digital entrepreneurs have gotten started. I know lots of people that got their start to financial freedom with affiliate marketing and the power of affiliate marketing. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment, smash that like button below. Tell us if you have any other questions, any comments, anything you want us to cover maybe. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.